Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost Android phone with Google Instant Fix step by step clearly. Open your web browser on a computer or another device. Go to the Google homepage. Type Find My Device in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears, which should take you to Google's Find My Device page. If prompted, sign in to your Google account using the same account linked to your lost Android phone. Once logged in, you should see a map displaying the last known location of your phone. Look for the options on the left side of the screen. Click on the play sound option to make your phone ring, even if it's on silent. Listen for the sound to help locate your phone nearby. If you cannot find it that way, select the Secure Device option to lock your phone remotely. This will prevent unauthorized access until you can retrieve it. If your phone is still missing, click on the Erase Device option to wipe all your data. Be sure to only do this as a last resort, as it will delete all your information. You can also use the map to navigate to your phone's location for easy retrieval. Remember to keep your Google account credentials safe for future access. Once you have located your phone, you can unlock it and restore your data if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.